Hamagani everyone, this is Shivangi Khangarod. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the makeup brushes which you can use either you are a beginner or if you are not doing that much makeup, but yeah, there is an occasion you want that kind of perfect base. Nothing apart, but makeup brushes just make a huge difference. If you are using your hands, it's okay, but then makeup brushes just gave you a good finish. So this is a kind of video in which you will be going to see what are the makeup brushes which I was using earlier. So if you want to see what are my choice, then please keep on watching. This one is the most famous makeup brushes. You can go and buy it from Amazon. These are this Fulzy makeup brushes. Now I have received only 9 because I have bought these way back when I started to learn the makeup. So there were actually 4 brushes of eye makeup, and one actually I have ruined because when I was cleaning that brush, the bristles came up. Let me just clear you one thing, that I was putting so much pressure to clean it. We will be starting with these only first. So there are 4 brushes, and the one which I have ruined is an angular brush. So it's great for the shimmery shades. Like, it's an angular brush, so you can just go close to this tear duct area and you can just go in one swipe, and that brush just picks the color very much and the pigment just comes very nice. So there are 2 brushes. This one is in round brush, which is very good, and this one is in tapered brush. You can use this one as in for your crease, as in to just blend out the area as well, and then in the concealer way also. Other than that, these bristles are very hard. All in all, these makeup brushes are very good. Like, I know when I was starting doing makeup, I just picked the brown color, put it into my crease, and then take shimmery shade and place it onto the eyelids. So this is what exactly you need. There is no need to buy 24 brush sets. You have an brush that you can put the color into your crease, and then for the blending you have this one good round brush, and to blend your crease you can use this brush, and then there comes like 5 brushes with that. These are actually very good. Okay, the bristles are very soft. Now this one I use when I blend my foundation. Actually on the brushes also it depends, but then mostly it depends on technique. So this one is great for foundation. Then have this tapered brush. Now this one I have shown you on my contouring and bronzing video. Like, this one is tapered, so you can easily just place your contour. You can easily blend it with this and you will not feel harsh over your skin at all. There are 3 more brushes. Now this one is very round brush. So I use it as in to place my blush, and it just picks up a very beautiful color. And then here I have this tapered brush. This brush can be used in 2 ways, either for your concealer or for your highlighter. This pointy brush, just you have to place the highlighter and then blend it properly over to your cheekbones. And this one is very great to apply here also, and to the brow bone as well. Because of the pointiness, it would be easier for you to just place a highlighter and then just do like that. And then you have this brush. Now you can use this brush to place your powder, and if you want to bronze your face, you can use this brush. So yeah, all these Fulzy brushes I love the most, and I've been using for more than 2 years. So you can see how exactly I'm in love with these brushes, and still I'm using it. I bought these in 250 rupees. I remember that I have bought these in 250 rupees. Now when I have checked on Amazon, it's of rupees 300. I'll link it down in my description box, so you can go ahead and check that out. If you are also going to buy, go ahead, it's very good. Yeah, these bristles are very hard, but they are very soft to use. All these brushes come with the plastic packaging. They have all them individually. And then my second choice is this Naked 5 brush set. Now they come in the tiny version, and I have seen so many people, they have the bigger version of this brushes. I don't know why they have sent me the tinier version, but then I have kept them because they are very fascinating. They are very small, so very handy. But then I would suggest you to go ahead and buy the bigger version of these brushes, because you will be having more than 6 brush sets, and the prices are very similar. Like, this one cost of rupees 178, or the bigger version also sometimes have 178 rupees, or sometimes more than 200 rupees. But my point is to just say that do not go above 300 rupees, because see if you are learning, if you are a beginner, or if you are doing makeup whenever the occasion is there. So I won't say that, or I won't recommend you to buy more than 500 rupees makeup brushes because you are not using them. These are the two best quality brushes. Now this brush, actually trust me, the bristles are very soft of all these naked brush sets except this, and I can't find that angular brush in that Fulzy makeup brush set, so I just picked these set. So because on there was an angular brush, and trust me, this makeup brush is amazing if you want to learn how to do your eyebrows, because angular brush just helps you a lot. Now you have very like this small brush, you can use it for your lips, you can use to place your lipstick as well, and you can use the shimmery shades also to just place it on, or if you want to use it on your lower lash, this one is very great. Then there are two brushes. Now actually I use this brush as for my lipstick when I ran out of the lipstick and I have to use that shade only, so I just dig it into that and place the lipstick from this brush. But then if you want to use over to your eyes as well, you can use it. Now there is this flat brush. Now you can use this brush to cut your crease, to blend your concealer. It's very flat, so it's very comfortable to just cut your crease and just place the shimmery shade with that same brush. I would say that it just picks the shimmery shades very well. And then I have these two brushes. Now this one you can use to powder your face for blush and for contour as well. Okay, now you would be wondering that it's a round brush, how could we contour? But then trust me, it's very easy to contour, and you will feel that you are running cotton over to your face. It's very soft. And then you have this long flat brush. Now whenever I just make any face pack, I use this brush a lot to just apply evenly all over to my face. But then you can just powder your under eye. If you would ask me that why you haven't bought 2 years back the Zoeva brush or the Sigma brushes, because I actually don't know how to use them. I don't want that feeling that, oh, I have spent so much money on these makeup brushes and I have broken them. Like, you get my point? I hope that this would be helpful to you. I hope you enjoyed my video. Until then, I'll meet you in my next video. Bye bye, take care.